Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me SAMSUNG Galaxy S23 Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from Recycle bin. So firstly, you need to open Gallery, then find your albums, and click on this 3 sticks button. Then click Recycle bin, and here you will see all removed photos and videos. These, as you can see, images and videos in the recycle bin will be permanently deleted after 30 days after normal deleting. So during these 30 days, you have the opportunity to recover these photos and videos. So just choose the photos and videos you want to recover and click Restore. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.